What's up YouTube, and welcome back to Desi Dad Reviews. In today's video, we'll be going over the Mako Precision Bit Set by iFIXIT. Now if you're trying to save a bit of money and do your own small electronic repairs, stay tuned because this kit might be the right one for you. Let's get started. This is the iFIXIT Mako Precision Bit Set. Starting off with the top, iFIXIT states that they have 64 pieces included with this kit, and that you should be able to use this kit to repair things like drones, all the way to computers and everything in between. Flipping it over to the back, you'll find a complete list of exactly what bits come in the kit. I'm not going to go over every bit, but rest assured this kit is extremely comprehensive. You get not only the standard bits like the Phillips and flathead, but also some more complex ones like the torque security, the pentalobe, and even the standoff bit for the iPhones. On the bottom you'll see reference to iFIXIT's website, and if you've never been there, you should. They've got repair guides for a wide variety of products, teardowns to show you exactly how something was made, and just about anything else you need to fix practically everything else around your home. Check them out, the link is in the description. Coming back to the kit, it slides right out of the top. You've got a pretty cool graphic of a hand holding a wrench. Kind of gives you the feeling you can fix just about anything. Nice. Sliding the actual case out, you've got nice iFIXIT branding on the top and a really tough hard shell plastic. I wouldn't worry too much about tossing this into a toolbox because it's a high quality case. Opening it up, you'll be greeted by a desiccant pack to keep the moisture out. I'd recommend keeping it in just to keep the kit dry. You'll also notice that the case lid is magnetic. This makes the closure extremely secure so you won't have to worry about this kit falling over and having all of the bits all over your floor. There's also slats in the lid, and this serves as a sorting tray. If you've ever repaired or taken apart anything, you'll know that putting the wrong screw into the wrong part can pretty much ruin everything. These slats work perfectly to help you organize all of your supplies during your repair. Going over the main part of the case, you get all of your bits neatly organized in a high-density foam. They're well machined and they're also tightly placed in, so you don't have to worry about the bits getting lost if you accidentally leave the case open. A downside to the labeling, though, is that it's stamped into the black foam and can be hard to read if you're not in a decently lit room. Just in case, I recommend keeping the case cover, this one, and trying to match the bit shape and size for your project. On the right, you have your driver handle. It's magnetized and its magnet is powerful enough to lift up small objects, like this split lock washer, but don't expect it to lift up anything heavier. The end is a ball bearing design that is extremely fluid, which makes using this driver a breeze. I also like the metal diamond stamping, giving it a nice grip. This driver, however, is not a ratcheting one, so you will constantly have to be twisting to get the job done. On the left side of the kit is a flexible extension arm. You push this side into the driver handle and insert your bit into the other end, like this. This end uses friction though and not a magnet, so you will lose the magnetism aspect of this driver. I like this extension arm because it helps you reach hard to get to areas, which can be pretty common in high-end consumer electronics with all the wiring in the way. But I did wish they kept the magnetism on the extension arm. I mean, if you're trying to reach hard to get to areas, doesn't it make sense that the screw or bolt come out easily also? Even with those minor downsides, you're getting an exceptional value at the price point. At $35 US, you're getting a complete kit that'll get you through most repairs. However, if you're looking to do screen replacements or work with glass, then this kit might not be the best one for you. I'd consider looking at the iFIXIT Tech Toolkit or the iFIXIT Tech Disassembly module. Those are going to have the appropriate tools to work with glass. Now, if you've already got a kit that's similar to this or this exact kit yourself, don't worry, you can actually purchase any of the individual tools you need to get your job done. That's one of the things I like about iFIXIT's product lineup. You don't have to purchase a brand new toolkit just to get those tools. You can actually get those tools separately. I'll put links to the Mako Precision Bit Set as well as the other toolkits mentioned in this video in the description below so you can find out what is the right fit for you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to watch what YouTube recommends next, check out this playlist, and don't forget to hit this subscribe button just so you don't miss the next video. Until next time, this is Desi Dad Reviews signing out.